preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Union that I shall render honest, impartial, and efficient services to the Union, that I shall serve as an effective link between the Union and its members, that I shall obey all lawful instructions in the discharge of Union functions, that I shall put the interest of the Union and its members above personal interest in the conduct of Union affairs, that I shall render a full account of my stewardship to the member of the Union, and when the occasion arises, that I shall abide by majority decision and respect the rights of minority, that I shall work for the growth of the Union in strength and freedom, that I further swear that I shall faithfully discharge my duty of the Union to the best of my ability.
Okay, acceptance speech by the state chairman.